Hello students, we have to see the second part of practical 5 for business statistics for SY BCom students. In this topic we will see the examples based on ASFR, TFR, GFR, GRR and NRR. See the example. Compute crude birth rate, GFR, age specific fertility rate, TFR for the following data. It is given that total population is 1,86,300. Age group wise population is given. Age group 15 to 19. 15 to 19. Number of women are 24,000. Number of births are 800. Age group 20 to 24. Number of women are 20,000. Number of births are 800. Age group 25 to 29. Number of women are 15,000. Number of births are 2,400. Age group 30 to 34. Number of women are 12,000. Number of births are 2,000. For age group 35 to 39, number of women are 6,000. Number of births are 600. Age group 40 to 44, there are 4,000 women and number of births are 120. 45 to 50, so we will see how to find crude birth rate. For getting crude birth rate, we have to take the total number of births divided by total population into 1000. So we will add all these values. 800 plus 2400 plus 2000 plus 600 plus 120 plus 10. The total births are 5930 and total population is 81,000. 24,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 12,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000. So total population is 81,000. Total female population. But for finding out crude birth rate, we need the total population, which is nothing but 1,86,300. So crude birth rate is equal to total number of births divided by total population into 1000, which is equal to 5,930 divided by 1,86,300 into 1000. So the answer is 31.830 per thousand. Then GFR is calculated as total births divided by female population into 1000. So total births are 5,930 divided by total female are 81,000 into 1000. So answer becomes 73.2099 per thousand. Then to find age specific fertility rate, we will make the calculations as age group, number of women, number of births, that is BI. Number of women is written as PI, and age specific fertility rate formula is BI upon PIF into 1000. So age group is 15 to 19. Number of women are 24,000. Number of births are 800. So ASFR is calculated as 800 divided by 24,000 into 1000. So the answer becomes 33.33. Then second age group 20 to 24. Female population is 20,000. Number of births are 2,400. So age specific fertility rate is 2,400 divided by 20,000 into 1000. So answer becomes 120. Next age group is 25 to 29. There are 15,000 female women. Number of births are 2,000. So ASFR is equal to 2,000 upon 15,000 into 1000. That is equal to 133.33. Next age group is 30 to 34. Number of women are 12,000. Number of births are 600. So ASFR calculations 600 upon 12,000 into 1000. So answer is 50. Next age group is 35 to 39. Number of women are 6,000. Number of births are 120. ASAFR calculations 120 upon 6000 into 1000. Answer is 20. Then last age group is 40 to 44. Number of women are 4000. Number of births are 10. So ASAFR calculations 10 upon 4000 into 1000. So answer is 2.5. Now to calculate total fertility rate, we need the sum of ASAFR. So 33.33 plus 120 plus 133.33 plus 50 plus 20 plus 2.5. The total becomes 359.1666. So TFR is equal to C is nothing but width of the age group into summation ASFR, which is equal to 5 into 359. See, actually we feel that the width is of 4 units, but actual width is of 5 units because the class can be considered as 14.5 to 19.5. So the class width is 5 units. So 5 into 359.1666, the TFR value becomes 1795.833 per thousand. See the fifth example for practical number 5. Calculate GFR, ASFR, TFR, GRR and NRR for the following data. Consider proportion of female births is equal to 0.48. So the age group wise female population, number of births and survival factor is given. Age group 15 to 19, female population is 9000, number of births are 180 and survival rate is 0.92. For age group 20 to 24, female population is 9200, number of births are 1012 and the survival rate is 0.91. For age group 30 to 34, female population is 8600, 25 to 29 age group, female population is 8900, number of births are 1068, survival rate is 0.90. Then age group 30 to 34, female population is 8600, number of births is 774, survival factor is 0.89. Age group 35 to 39, female population is 8400, number of births are 420 and survival rate is 0.89. Age group is 40 to 44, female population is 8500, number of births are 170, survival factor is 0.86. Now to find GFR, we need total births divided by total female population into 1000. So first of all add the values 180 plus 1012 plus 1068 plus 774 plus 420 plus 170. So total births are 3624 and total female population is calculated as 9000 plus 9200 plus 8900 plus 8600 plus 8400 plus 8500. So the total becomes 52600. So GFR, the formula is summation BI upon summation PIF into 1000, which is equal to 3624 divided by 52600 into 1000. So the answer is 68.8973. Then calculations of age specific fertility rate and ASFR into pi to find a total fertility rate, GRR and NRR. Rewrite the problem statement as age group 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44. Female population column is rewritten as 9000, 9200, 8900, 8600, 8400, 8500. Number of births are also written as 180, 1012, 1068, 774, 420 and 170. And the respective survival rate is written. Then we will find the age specific fertility rate as BI upon PIF into 1000. and the last column is AA safer into pi I. So first age specific fertility rate is 180 upon 9000 into 1000. So answer is 20. 20 multiplied by 0.92. The value becomes 18.4. Then next calculation, ASFR 1012 divided by 9200 into 1000. So answer is 110 multiplied by 0.91. The value becomes 100.1. Next age group is 25 to 29. ASFR calculations 1068 divided by 8900 into 1000. So answer is 120. 120 multiplied by 0.9. So it becomes 108. Then next age group 30 to 34. Female population is 8600. Number of births are 774. Survival rate is 0.89. So ASFR calculations 774 divided by 8600 into 1000, which is equal to 90. Then 90 multiplied by 0.89. So the value becomes 80.1. Next age group is 35 to 39. Number of female population is 8400. Number of births are 420. Survival rate is 0.89. So ASFR value becomes 420 upon 8400 into 1000. So answer is 50. 50 multiplied by 0.89. Value becomes 44.5. Last age group is 40 to 44. Female population is 8500. Number of births are 170. Survival rate is 0.86. So ASFR value becomes 170 upon 8500 into 1000, which is equal to 20. So 20 multiplied by survival rate is 0.86. So the value becomes 17.2. Now we will take the total of ASFR values, which is nothing but 20 plus 110 plus 120 plus 90 plus 50 plus 20. So total becomes 410. And the last column total ASFR into pi I also we need. So 18.4 plus 100.1 plus 108 plus 80.1 plus 44.5 and plus 17.2. The total is 368.3. So total fertility rate, which is nothing but TFR, is equal to width of the age group into summation ASFR, which is equal to 5 into 410. So TFR value becomes 2050. Then given that proportion of female births is 0.48. So GRR is equal to proportion of female births into TFR, which is equal to 0.48 into 2050. So answer is 984. NRR formula is written as proportion of female births into width of age group into summation ASFR into pi I. So replace all the values. We will get the answer as 0.48 into 5 into 368.3. So answer is equal to 883.92. This is per thousand value. Now we will find NRR per woman is equal to 883.92 divided by 1000, which can be written as 0.883. So NRR per woman is equal to 0.833, which is less than 1. Hence, population is decreasing. Last example, calculate GRR and NRR for the following data and interpret. See, in this example, they have given us the mortality rate. So first of all, we will calculate the survival rate as pi I, which is nothing but 1 minus mortality rate. So in this table, we have written age group 15 to 19. Number of women are 16,000. Female births are 160. Mortality rate is 0.09. So survival rate becomes 1 minus 0.09, which is equal to 0.91. Second age group 20 to 24. Number of women are 15,000. Female births are 225. Mortality rate is 0.10. Hence, survival rate becomes 0.90. Age group is 25 to 29. Number of women are 16,500. Number of births are 330. Mortality rate is 0.11. Therefore, survival rate is 0.89. 1 minus 0.11 becomes 0.89. Next age group is 30 to 34. Number of women 14,000. Total births, female births are 210. Mortality rate is 0.12. So survival rate becomes 0.88. Age group 35 to 39. Number of women are 16,000. Female births are 140. Mortality rate is 0.13. Therefore, survival rate becomes 0.87. Last age group 40 to 44. Number of women are 12,000. Female births are 90. Mortality rate is 0.14. Therefore, survival rate becomes 0.86. Now, calculations for ASFR and ASFR into pi I. So, we will rewrite the table as age group, number of women, female births, pi I into, then we will calculate ASFR as BI upon PIF into 1000, and last column is ASFR into pi I. See the first calculation, 15 to 19, female population is 16,000, female births are 160, survival rate 0.91. So ASFR 160 upon 16,000 into 1000. So answer becomes 10. 10 into 0.91, the answer is 9.1. Next, 20 to 24, female population is 15,000, female births are 225, survival rate 0.91. So ASFR value 225 upon 15,000 into 1000. So answer becomes 15. 15 into 0.9. So answer is 13.5. Next calculation, 25 to 29. Number of women are 16,500. Female births are 330. Survival rate is 0.89. ASFR value 330 divided by 16,500 into 1000. Answer is 20. 20 into 0.89. The answer becomes 17.8. Next calculations. Age group 30 to 34. Female population is 14,000. Female births are 210. Survival rate is 0.88. So 210 upon 14,000 into 1000. So ASFR value is 15. 15 into 0.88. The value becomes 13.2. Next age group is 35 to 39. Number of women are 16,000. Female births are 144. Survival rate is 0.87. So ASFR calculations, 144 divided by 16,000 into 1000. So answer is 9. 9 into 0.87. The answer becomes 7.83. Last age group 40 to 44. Number of women are 12,000. The female births are 90. Survival rate is 0.86. So ASFR value 90 upon 12,000 into 1000. So answer is 7.5. 7.5 into 0.86. It becomes 6.45. Now we will find the total of ASFR column, which is nothing but 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 15 plus 9 plus 7.5, which is equal to 76.5. Then ASFR into pi I calculations are 9.1 plus 13.5 plus 17.8 plus 13.2 plus 7.83 plus 6.45. So total becomes 67.88. See the calculations. GRR is equal to width of the age group into summation ASA for female ASA for. So width of the age group, again we can take it as 5 because the difference between class boundaries we have to consider, into 76.5. So GRR value is 382.5. Then calculate NRR as BIF upon PIF into 1000 into pi I into width of the age group into 1000. So this value is 67.88 into 5. So the answer becomes 339.4 per thousand. So NRR per woman is given as 339.4 divided by 1000, which is equal to 0.3394, which is less than 1. Therefore, the population is decreasing.